The vocabulary word we are exploring now is install. Install. Have you ever set up something new, a machine, an app, or a piece of equipment? To install means to put it in place so it can work properly. Let's understand its meaning, examples, and listen to a short story about how one installation can make life brighter. Meaning of install. To install means to set up or put a piece of equipment, a program, or a system in place so that it can be used. Examples: he will install the new air conditioner tonight. She learned how to install a software program. The technician came to install the security cameras. Short story. After years of living in a dark room, Tara saved enough money to install a large window. The first morning the sun streamed in, she felt a warmth she had long forgotten. Suddenly, the room felt new, hopeful and inviting. Sometimes, the simplest changes can transform a space and a heart. Installing that window didn't just bring in light, it reminded Tara that life can always shift from darkness to brightness. A moment, a choice, a small change can install a fresh chapter, making room for warmth, belonging, and a brighter tomorrow.